Google Ads display campaigns can show your ads on mobile apps, which may not always be desirable. So here's how to exclude mobile apps from your campaign. We have different methods, and this is the first method, by using the exclude app categories. How do you do this? In your Google Ads account, go to your display campaign. Click on placement in the left-hand menu. Then select the exclusions tab. Click the blue edit button to add new exclusions. Choose app categories. Select all mobile app categories under the Apple App Store, under the Apple App Store, Google Play Store, and Windows Phone apps. This will exclude your ads from showing in most apps. Then click on Save to apply the exclusions to your campaign. It's as simple as that. The second method is to use the exclude specific placements method. How? Go to your placements tab and click on where ads showed. This shows you where your ads have appeared. Identify specific mobile apps where you don't want your ads to show. Select the apps and click edit, then choose exclude from ad group or exclude from campaign. Simple as that. Third method is to use Google Ads Editor. How? Open Google Ads Editor and select the account you want to modify. Click Get Recent Changes to download the latest campaign data. Then choose the display campaign you want to edit. In the keyword and targeting section, select mobile app categories and select negative. Once you've clicked Add Negative Mobile App Category, then choose Campaign Level or Ads Group Level. Then select All App Category. Click Post to upload the changes to your Google Ads account. It's as simple as that. So those are the three ways. Those are the three ways to exclude. Here are the three ways. Let's look at them more. 3 ways to exclude mobile apps in Google Ads display campaign. The 3 ways are: yes, exclude app categories, exclude specific placements, and using Google Ads Editor. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. And let me give some important notice. You can also apply exclusions at the account level to affect all your campaigns. Don't forget to periodically review your placement report to identify any new apps where your ads are appearing and add them to your exclusion if needed. Before excluding all apps, analyze your campaign performance to see if any app placements are actually driving valuable results. By using this method, you can effectively exclude mobile apps from your Google Ads display campaigns and focus your budget on more relevant placements. Simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.